In this video, we're going to be testing two Class A amplifiers using a General Radio 1304B generator and monitoring on an oscilloscope. First amplifier is a 5-watt Class A amp running a 6V6 built in a Mallory enclosure. So I'm going to bring up the volume. You can see it on the scope. So the amp is obviously producing a nice sine wave. Now let's hook it up to a dummy load so we don't have that tone, and let's look at the characteristics of the sine wave. Alright, I've connected a dummy load now. We're injecting a 200 millivolt signal at 1 kc into the amplifier, monitoring on the scope. I'll bring up the volume. So we have a nice sine wave. I'm going to crank it till she distorts. And you can almost make a square wave. That's happening at around 75% of the volume travel. This amp should be great for your studio use. Alright, I've switched over to the 2-watt unit. These two amplifiers are wired identically except for the power supplies. The 2-watt unit only has approximately 1/3 the plate voltage as the 6V6 amplifier. And of course the output transformer is smaller. Here we go. Here's our output. Nice clean sine wave. Now I'm going to crank it. You can see we're already getting some distortion. I'm going to keep cranking. And it also produces a square wave. So this amp should also give you some great chimey sound and break into distortion when you need it.